as we revive a cloudy plastic vintage calculator keypad. First, we gently soak it in warm soapy water, letting years of grime loosen and dissolve. Next, a soft sanding removes surface scratches and dullness, revealing the keypad's original clarity. We follow with a meticulous polish, working in circular motions until the plastic gleams. For the final touch, a gentle buff brings out a sparkling,